Yo, what's up guys? So I know the first thing you're going to ask me is, Fraser, why are you wearing a hoodie in Thailand? Well, when you've been here for 8 years, you get so used to the heat that it just becomes normal and you start being like the Thais. So I'm not a tourist anymore. So with that being said, we are hiking along some rocks at the moment, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you why I made the switch from network marketing to affiliate marketing. So, run the intro. So, like I said, what I want to do is basically touch on why I made the switch from network marketing to affiliate marketing. But on top of that, let's actually talk about the pros and cons of both, right? Because both of them are good, but at the same time, both of them are bad, right? So maybe you are a network marketer, but maybe you're looking more into the affiliate marketing space. Maybe it's vice versa. You're an affiliate marketer looking to maybe do network marketing, or maybe you're a complete newbie and doesn't really know where to start. So I've got experience in both. I was actually part of Herbalife back in the day before I made the switch to affiliate marketing. So let's say we'll just dive into it, list through the pros and cons of each one, and then we can kind of talk about what direction you feel will be best for you. So for me, the pros of network marketing is you've got a physical product, all right? There's a lot of people that feel more comfortable with buying something that's tangible, that they can actually get their hands on, whereas affiliate marketing is purely digital, right? So, and it is a very easy way to share something that you're passionate about. So there's like a lot of like health companies or fitness companies. Like the reason that I got started in Herbalife is back in the day I was like big into fitness, not so much anymore. And when I seen what Herbalife had, you know, I thought it was an amazing product. I thought everybody would want it, but it didn't go too well down that route. So it is a very easy way to start a business. You know, it is not complex to get started in network marketing. You do get to spend more time at home with doing network marketing. It's leveraged income, so when you start building a team, you can actually earn off of your team's efforts as well, off of their sales. And there's a very good social aspect to network marketing, you know, with all the events that they do, with the way that they teach you to market. Is like going out there, you know, talking to your friends and family, talking to random people on the street, you know, all that kind of stuff. But at the same time, they do have their cons, right? Unfortunately, in network marketing, hardly anybody makes any money, right? The industry statistic on average is $200 a month, right? There is such a high failure rate in network marketing. It is like 97%. It is pretty high, and it mainly teaches people face-to-face marketing. All right, guys, it is the 21st century. You know, that kind of stuff worked back in like the 1980s. You know, if you want, a lot of people get started in network marketing or affiliate marketing because they want more time freedom. You know, they want to make more money. Unfortunately, with network marketing, guys, it's kind of limited. You know, because that is the way that these companies teach you how to market. You know, I mean, for me, when I was in Herbalife, I was told to go out, put flyers in like car windows, put posters up in gyms, go and talk to random people in the street about my business, about Herbalife. You know, do you really want to be doing that? Putting in so much effort, and at the same time, the actual earning potential is a lot. And leading on to the next point, you face a lot of rejection. You know, I still mind the amount of times that people just kind of flipped me the bird and basically just told me where to shove it. You know, it's not a nice feeling, and just because you're passionate about something, it doesn't necessarily mean that the people you're dealing with are going to be passionate about it too. There are so many ways for people to make money. It doesn't necessarily have to be what you're doing. You know, there's so many different things that people can do. So just because you're passionate about something, guys, doesn't mean other people are going to be. All right. Now, with the people that you're joining in these companies, they're not always telling you the best way to do things, because a lot of them aren't making any money. I mean, my sponsor, I can't remember his name. It was a guy in Yorkshire in England. And basically that's all he told me to do, was go hound my friends and family and put posters up in car windshields outside like supermarkets and stuff. I mean, I felt so awkward doing that. It wasn't very nice. Also, on top of that, the commission percentage can actually be quite low on the products that you're selling. And a lot of, not all of them, but a lot of network marketing companies have extremely strict rules with regards to what you can do on social media. And like I said back earlier on, it's the 21st century, guys. Everybody is building their business online, right? But a lot, like Herbalife especially, was a big one. You know, I remember I got an email from some guy at Herbalife, and the stuff that I was doing on social media said I couldn't do that, otherwise I was going to lose my account. Right? I mean, surely you want me to try and reach more people, but no, they're just happy with doing the old like prospecting methods. Now, I'm not saying this in a way where I'm trying to hate on network marketing. I mean, yes, it's a very good space, but with regards to earning potential, it can be limited unless you're willing to work a ridiculous amount of hours to actually, you know, build it. So yeah, that would be the pros and cons that I would say network marketing has. Now moving on to affiliate marketing. Now this is what I'm doing currently. So the pros: it's all digital, it's all info products, it's all 100% online, so you don't need to worry about auto ships or like buying inventory to sell it on to people. You don't need to worry about that. It's purely all on the internet. It takes no marketing skills to get started. You know, you can virtually go onto ClickBank, grab a product and get promoted. You know, it doesn't take any skills to do it. It can be done from anywhere in the world. As long as you've got a Wi-Fi connection and you've got a laptop, you can do it from absolutely anywhere. And the laptop lifestyle, you know, that's kind of they're kind of like the same thing. I mean, personally, I do this from Thailand, but I could take my laptop, go down the beach, go to a different country, and still earn money at the same time. You know, with network marketing, you cannot do that, right? Because you're building like overall, it's like a local team. You know, I've had mates in the past that have been doing that. As soon as they've like moved somewhere else, their entire team just fell apart because they're not there to lead them. You know, so you can't have that freedom with network marketing. You don't have to handle like customer service problems, you know, that you would have to handle in like network marketing. There is a potential to earn a lot of money without much work, and that ties into the next point: automation. Right? You cannot automate network marketing stuff. With affiliate marketing, you can set up funnels, emails, chat bots on social media. Your business can run on complete autopilot without you doing anything. Like for me now, my business is running for me. It's making money for me at the same time of doing this video because everything has been automated. Right? I don't need to sit on social media for hours and hours and hours and hours a day, you know, hitting people up on Facebook. I don't need to be doing that. It's like, you should join my business. It's so amazing. You know, I don't have to do that because you can automate everything online. And with affiliate marketing, there's very, very high commissions. Reason being is all these info products, you know, people that are creating them, they don't really have any overheads because it's all online. So they can afford to pay a higher percentage commission. There are some products out there, some companies that pay 100% commission. All right. Reason being able to do that is because on top of the product, they have like a small admin fee. You know, depending on the price of the product will depend the admin fee. All right. So you can earn 100% commissions as well. Now, if you're part of a company that's paying 100% commissions with no admin fee, be aware that's probably going to end up being a scam. So now the cons of it can be very lonely. Now this is something people don't often talk about. You know, there's a lot of affiliate marketers that are just doing this by themselves, that are just like stuck on their laptops all day. You know, you have no real social life. With network marketing, you really do have that because your primary marketing method is going out there and talking to people. So it can be quite lonely, but like I say, I've got a fiance, so I'm always talking away. You can get overwhelmed very, very easily. This is the major problem with affiliate marketing. There is so much stuff on the internet and people just don't know where to start. They'll maybe join one thing, they'll see something else that looks better, they'll join that thing, then the same process keeps on repeating and repeating itself, and you don't make any progress. And at the same time, there's a lot of scams. You know, when I first started this stuff back in, well, affiliate marketing for me was 2013. That's when I started. It was a nice vibe that you get from affiliate marketing, right? But now there's just so many people that just want your money that don't have no real care about helping you. You know, it's unfortunate, but that is just, unfortunately, that's the way people are taking this space, which isn't very nice. Marketers will always promise that will help you. So maybe you came across some opportunity in affiliate marketing space, and you know, you reached out to someone that's part of it, and they tell you, it's like, yeah, if you join at this level, you know, I'll help you get everything set up. But you never hear from them again once they get your money. You know, they just kind of leave you to fend for yourself. Unfortunately, that happens a lot as well. So there's definitely a lot of downsides to affiliate marketing, and you can spend a lot of time getting nowhere. You know, same thing as getting overwhelmed. There's so much stuff online, you just don't know exactly what you should be doing. So this is why you need to have a streamlined process. And for me, the reason that I made that switch from network marketing to affiliate marketing is I wanted my time freedom. You You know, I wanted the freedom to do what I wanted because I started in Herbalife because I wanted to make money so I could travel the world. That never ever happened. You know, as soon as I started affiliate marketing, once I got all the right things in place, you know, I eliminated all these cons. You know, I made sure I was getting involved with the right people, the right things. I went from zero, making absolutely nothing, and I earned $10,000 4 months later because I had everything right. I had all the right systems, all the right processes. I was learning from people that built a successful affiliate marketing business and just basically copying what it is that they were doing. So that would definitely be my thoughts on it, guys. So hopefully this will give you some insight as to what you should be doing. I mean, if you're a network marketer looking at affiliate marketing, because maybe you're looking for more time freedom, you know, affiliate marketing can definitely make that happen, but you need to be involved with the right people. You know, there's so many, all these businesses and opportunities, all these products, they all teach you the same stuff. Like, being completely honest, they all teach you the same stuff, how to make money online selling their products and services. That's exactly what they all teach. You know, the thing that's going to change the game is if you have a mentor, someone that's done it, that's living the life that you want to live, that knows what it takes. So if you do want to make the switch to affiliate marketing, all right, there's going to be a link underneath this video, and that will take you to a page where you can learn how my business partner Joshua Elder, how he makes 10 to 20 high ticket sales every single month promoting other people's products. Right, it's going to show you a case study, and you show you all the testimonials and stuff of the people that we've been able to help through our program. Right, because we have our own coaching program, because personally we're sick and tired of seeing people fail in the affiliate marketing space, and even network marketers, because our stuff works for network marketers as long as your network marketing company doesn't have the rules and stuff in place that you can't do stuff on social media. You know, we teach people marketing methods that work. We don't say, oh, join our coaching program to, you know, earn our promote our program and earn commissions, even though you can do that. Our purpose is to teach you guys marketing methods and strategies that you can use to build your business. You know, not join another one, because chances are you've already got a business, right? But you're just looking for that extra step on how to improve your effort, improve your results, you know, make more money, automate your business so you have more time freedom. That's the reason that we created our program. So there's going to be a link below. You can go through the process. You can watch Joshua's case study video, how he does this and how you can have the exact same process as we all use that's going to allow you to make more money in your business. Okay, so go ahead, click the link underneath this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video talking about network marketing versus affiliate marketing. All right guys, see you next video.